VW revealed the new Golf GTI Clubsport. The sporty, optimized version of the classic model stands out thanks to its sharper exterior design and enhanced interior, impressive performance data, and high-end sport suspension. The new Golf GTI Clubsport is as impressive inside as out. The GTI turbocharged engine delivers a torque of 400 Nm and an output of 300 PS, which are brought to the road via an electronically controlled front differential lock. The DCC adaptive chassis control is available as optional equipment. The Golf GTI Clubsport accelerates from a standstill to 100 km/h in 5.6 seconds. The top speed of this most powerful of GTIs is electronically limited to 250 km/h. However, the limit can be lifted with the race package, which raises the top speed to 267 km/h. Tell me in the comments, how do you like this model?